Tired of missing appointments because your Cinc Outlook and iPhone calendars aren't talking to each other? We are here to fix that. First, let's sync Outlook with your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Mail. Next, select Accounts. If you already see your Outlook account listed, tap on it. If not, tap Add Account, then choose Outlook. Enter your Outlook email address and password. Once signed in, make sure the calendar's toggle is switched on to green. This ensures that your Outlook calendar events will appear on your iPhone calendar. Now, let's integrate Cinc. Log into your Cinc account on your computer. Navigate to your profile settings, usually found under your name or gear icon. Look for Calendar Integration or Calendar Sync options. Cinc typically provides an iCal link or a similar method to connect to other calendars. Copy the iCal link provided by Cinc. Return to your iPhone, open the Calendar app at the bottom, tap Calendars, then tap Add Calendar, followed by Add Subscribed Calendar. Paste the iCal link you copied from Cinc into the subscription URL field. Tap Subscribe. Customize the calendar settings if desired, such as the calendar name and color. Most importantly, make sure the Events toggle is enabled. Tap Done. And you're done. Your iPhone calendar will now display events from both your Outlook and Cinc accounts, ensuring you never miss an important appointment. Give it a few minutes to synchronize and enjoy your seamlessly integrated calendar.